Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Pure Biology, and today I come with another video. Obviously that is continuing video from endoplasmic reticulum, and that is the synthesis of membrane lipid. Okay, so I have a request to you that if this channel is helpful to you, obviously then you share this channel with your friends and obviously subscribe to support me. Okay, and if the video any topic related video it is knowledgeable, then give a like to each video. Okay, so it is my request, it is my humble request to you, please support my channel, and obviously to give or to show your support, you please subscribe my channel. Let's continue. That is the synthesis of membrane lipid. Okay, so here the synthesis of membrane lipid, that means that is occurring in the ACR. The ACR generally produces most of the membrane lipids, that including both phospholipids and cholesterol. So what kinds of lipids are produced in ACR? Generally related to cholesterol and obviously phospholipids. And these phospholipids are amphipathic molecules, and their synthesis from fatty acyl CoA and glycerol 3-phosphate take place at the cytosolic leaflet of ER membrane. Okay, sorry for disturbance. So what is saying that these phospholipids, these are the amphipathic molecules, and their synthesis is possible from the fatty acyl CoA and glycerol 3-phosphate. Okay, glycerol 3-phosphate and fatty acyl CoA. From these two substances, the lipid, generally phospholipids, these are synthesized. Okay, and this is occurring in the cytosol. This is occurring in the cytosolic leaflet of endoplasmic reticulum membrane and catalyzed by the enzymes, some associated enzymes. These fatty acids, these are not directly incorporated into the phospholipids. Okay, these fatty acids not included into the phospholipids. Rather, they are first converted into the CoA esters, and these fatty acids from fatty acyl CoA are esterified first, then to phosphorylated glycerol backbone, forming the phosphatidylic acid, and whose two long hydrocarbon chains anchor the molecule to the membrane. There are two strategies for this production of or this attaching of the head group. Again I repeat, what is situation, this is what is happening in that situation. Again I repeat, that means here these phospholipids, these are the amphipathic, and these are synthesized from the fatty acyl CoA and the glycerol 3-phosphate, and this is totally occur within the leaflet, cytosolic leaflet of the ER membrane, and obviously catalyze some enzymes that present within the ER membrane. And these fatty acids not directly incorporated into the phospholipids. First, they converted into the CoA esters, that means esterified, or fatty acyl CoA are esterified. Okay, so here the fatty acids that are formed from the fatty acyl CoA. Okay, first CoA esters are formed, then from esters the fatty acids are formed. Clear? To phosphorylated the glycerol backbone, forming phosphatidylic acid, and then phosphorylated glycerol to form glycerol backbone, or the phosphate or not glycerol backbone, you can say that this phosphorylated to form the phosphatidylic acid. Okay, phosphatidylic acid, and here two hydrocarbon chains are formed that anchor the molecule to the membrane. Okay, So hydrocarbon, what is the role of the hydrocarbon chain? That help these molecules to anchor with the air membrane. And there are two strategies. First strategy, where the phosphatidylic acid is formed or is activated by the condensation of CTP to form CDP, diacyl glycerol, and the activated diacyl glycerol then reacts with the hydroxyl group of an alcohol and to form a phosphodiester linkage. And if this alcohol is inositol, then the products are phosphatidylinositol and CMP also formed. So what is the reaction? You can see here that this one, the phosphatidylic acid that converts into CDP diacyl glycerol in presence of, where the CTP that converts into PPI, that means phosphorylation is occurring here, that means the CTP that converted into the PPI, and then with the help of inositol or in presence of inositol, the phosphatidylinositol formed and CMP also formed. In the second case, what is saying that the choline is phosphorylated by ATP to phosphocholine, and which is converted to CDP choline by the condensation with the CTP, and a diacyl glycerol that displaces CMP from CDP choline, clear, and producing phosphatidyl-choline. So what is saying that from choline the phosphocholine is formed, here ATP converted to ADP, and when phosphocholine is formed, this converted to CDP choline in presence of CTP, and here the CTP converts into PPI, and this CDP choline in presence of diacyl glycerol, it form the phosphatidyl-choline and CDP. Okay, and in both two cases, that the scraplase is enzyme that help or mediates the transfers of the lipid molecules. Okay, and these are the two strategies, and here it is saying that the activated alcohol is used here first. Okay, activated alcohol is used and synthesis of the phosphatidylethanol amine and phosphatidylcholine occurs. Okay, and what are that means due to the using of the alcohol, phosphatidylethanol is the extra product with the phosphatidylcholine. Okay, and it involves the phosphorylation and then activation of the head group, that followed by the condensation with the diacyl glycerol. Clear? So here the phosphatidylic acid that is activated by the condensation of CTP to form CDP. Okay, and here the phosphorylation and activation of the head group that followed by the condensation with the diacyl glycerol. Clear? So there are the two strategies I explained here, how the lipid formation is occurring in the endoplasmic reticulum. Okay, so four functions obviously related to endoplasmic reticulum I explained in the different videos, and so you just check out all the videos like after the uploading these videos. Okay, and this is the last function of the endoplasmic reticulum. Before this I have already uploaded the different topics related to the function, so you just check out that video, and please support me. This is my humble request again to you, towards my viewers, and share, subscribe my channel to show me the support, your supports. Okay, so thank you.